Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming physical kit items, because missing pieces stop progress fast. Once done, charge the device for at least 30 minutes and install the vendor app on your phone or PC so drivers and firmware can sync. Next, register for an API key in the developer portal and save the client ID and client secret. These are required for authentication. Make sure to enable developer mode on the device and connect via USB or Wi-Fi. This begins the live data pipeline you will call. You authenticate with OAuth 2. Post to the /token endpoint using client ID and client secret, then securely store the access token with its expiry. Once authenticated, call get/devices to retrieve device ID values. Use these ID when referencing hardware, because they remain stable. Then submit a test by posting to /tests with device ID, sample ID, and reagent type in the JSON body. Include the access token in the authorization header. If you expect, you finish a run by polling get/tests/ID/status until the status report's complete, then download and store the result JSON with timestamps and metadata. Make sure to validate readings against control samples and record reagent lot numbers for traceability. Finally, archive the test session and revoke tokens if needed. If something goes wrong, check API logs first, confirm the access token hasn't expired, verify device firmware and reagent lot compatibility, and retry after power cycling the device. Those steps resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.